All right, these are your 6-4 notes. We use the slope formula to find the slope of a line so that you don't have to graph it. The slope formula is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So the first thing we do is we label everything. x1, y1, x2, y2. We always label it the same way. I am going to write this out. So that's my formula. That equals m. Okay, so instead of a y2, I would use a 1. Instead of a y1, I would use a 3. Instead of x2, I would use a negative 2. Instead of x1, I would use the 4. So you type in your calculator, 1 minus 3, it's negative 2. Negative 2 minus 4, that'd be negative 6. Negative 2 over negative 6. You could also type that straight in your calculator and it would give you 1/3. And that's your answer for that one. Let's do the next one. x1, y1, x2, y2. y2 is negative 4 minus, you always put a minus, 6 over 2 minus 3. I just plug those numbers into my formula up here. That'd be negative 10 over negative 1, which just equals a 10. x1, y1, x2, y2. y2, that's a 3, minus y1 is a 9, over x2 is a 2, minus x1 is a negative 1. 3 minus 9, negative 6 over 3, that equals negative 2. So that's the formula you use to find the slope when you don't want to have to count, like rise 3, run 4, when you don't have to count that every time when we're counting. This is what we can use. We have a few that are a little weird. We're going to do those real quick. Step 1, x1, y1, x2, y2, 2 minus 2 over negative 5 minus 3. That gives us 0 over negative 8. If I have negative 8 pizzas and I give you nothing, how many pizzas do you have? You have 0. So if we were to graph this, this would just be straight across, 0 slope. x1, y1, x2, y2, 5 minus 8 over negative 7 minus negative 7. That gives me negative 3 over 0. If I have no pizzas and I give you 3 slices, how many slices do you have? You can't do that. If you type that in your calculator, it will say error. If you graph it, it will look straight up and down, which actually means undefined. All right, after you take these notes, I need you to get on iExcel and do S4, Algebra 1.